Hello everyone, greetings of the day, and in my today's lecture series I am coming up with the new lecture on the area of marketing management. And you know that the marketers are using the various marketing techniques and marketing tricks to attract the customers' attentions towards their products or brands. So in this lecture I would like to discuss about the some of the marketing tricks used by the companies to attract the customers. And you know that the 21st century is a place for innovation, competition and consumerism. So every single manufacturer and seller is here to stay, make profits and sell their best. To do so, especially with the rising norms and competition, there are many hidden tricks and quirks that manufacturers use to get their products out in the market. So here is the first trick used by the companies. Normally in the technological products, which are very delicate products in the case of the safety and protection of their features and functionalities. So the plastic game, that's USB unifying receiver. As you are aware of that you can find a small pen drive in a large packaging, plastic packaging material, and the government worldwide are pressing on the disregard of the use of plastics also, especially single use ones in packaging. Yet companies are getting away with their plastic love story, obviously packaging these small items like a pen drive or USB chip or sellotape in big and wasteful plastics to garner attention and space in a store is a common sight, because how you can display a pen drive or a small chip or a small pen to the customers? It is the only way that you have to work on the packaging, and that is the very important marketing tricks which is used by the yes. Second popular trick is in the case of these food processing items, and you know that sandwiches that are not exactly anything more than bread, and the marketers are selling their sandwich in such a way that they are attracting the attention of the customers very carefully and meticulously by adopting the marketing techniques. So you will see them on display or on the menu being called nutritious or looking very well kept. However, the real picture is these available store sandwiches charge a huge amount just to have a small slice of cheese inside the bread. Cheese is definitely nutritious, but trust me, buying a loaf of bread and a cheese slice block will cost you less than the single sandwich also. So the next is the seats which are not the seats. Exactly, now the companies, the airlines are reducing the cost of this transportation cost, we can say, and they are using these certain tactics. That flights came up with this concept of standing seats for budget buyers, and the catch, you still make a payment for basically nothing. Neither do you get a seat and nor do you occupy any additional space on the flight. That is again the important technique, the marketing trick by the various airlines which are basically doing the services and giving the services of airways to their customers. So next we have this the do it yourself kits, which definitely don't take a lot of time. Yes, have you this, you have seen this on the screen, that costing you a ton. These kits exist to make you spend to build something of your own, or so you may think. However, the big packaging, external designing does not exactly give the real picture. So you are attracting by the packaging material in the case of jewelry cases, and you know that you are finding these small things on the jewelry cases, and the jewelry cases are meticulously meant for the customer attention, and so well they are using the packaging material also. So the next marketing trick is the game of quantity or quality or nothing. Yes, this is also important marketing trick which is used by the companies, again, to attract as many as customers. Like you have seen that natural cashews raw, okay, and in a packaging of the certain box you can find it in the market. So for manufacturer who claim their products to be of superior quality and hence charge a lot more for those items such as dry fruits, exotic fruits, etc., the quantity is next to nothing. In fact, when compared, you will realize the quality is not that greater either also. So again, this is a marketing techniques, marketing trick which is used by the marketers to gain the attention of the customers towards their products. And the next one is this the chocolate affair. Yes, every youngsters, every child is possessive to have the chocolate, right? And when they are seeing the very good packaging of the chocolate, they are attracted towards also. So again, this is the marketing technique, this is the marketing trick by the various marketers, those who are in this production of chocolates, right, and offering the chocolates to the consumers. So delightful as the packaging might seem, but the insides are usually in this state less than 50% of the pack size. So once you open the box, there is not much you can do anyway. Only it is the packaging. Again, this marketers technique, which are basically defined and designed in such a way that the customers could gain their attention towards the products of the company. And the next is the children toys are the easiest to decoy. Yes, obviously the children toys are the important factors nowadays. So you are usually more than willing to spend money on and for your kids, and trust me, the toy makers already know it, and the box looks fancy, attracts a child eyes, but then the correlation between what is visible on the outside and what turns up on the inside is not so very high. So again, it's a marketing trick by the toy manufacturer which are gaining attraction of the parents, and of course the childrens are very much attracted towards the colorful boxes and the big boxes they are finding. And this is again a case of the true case of this marketing trick by the marketers. So these were the some of the marketing tricks usually used in the some of the categories of products by the marketers to gain the attention of their brands in the minds of the customers, and so well they are successful also. So these we have to see if we are keenly noticed everything, that what we are buying and what we are using and what we are having after the purchase of any product or item. I hope you like this lecture also, and thank you so much for being with me. Follow me on YouTube, subscribe my channel if so, and take care of yourself. Be safe.